Hola, just wanted to give you a very quick instructions of the activities for this week. So you're gonna be working. I posted this. The assignment is this one. So you're gonna be working on pages 15 through 19. So I'm just gonna give you a quick example of each one of them, so you have an idea how to do it. You need to use your vocabulary. Remember, go to section 8, click on Vocabulario Nuevo 2, and then you are going to have the vocabulary you need for these activities. Okay, so the first one is page 15. In this page, they're asking you como es, and they're asking you about a third person, another person. So you're going to describe somebody else. Go in the vocabulary and find out what the question means, and then you're going to answer it. Very important for this answer, you need to start with a capital. To say es, that means is, and then you're gonna say what the person is like. This person looks to me as inteligente because he's playing chess. So inteligente, and do not forget to finish and the sentence with a period. So that's what you're gonna do. You look at the picture, you find the adjective that describes that person, if it's a boy or a girl, so you can make the changes. Remember from the video last week, and if you don't remember, just go back there and then you can have a refresh on that. Let's go to the next one. It's 16. On page 16, you're going to match the opposite. So you see the word ordenado. What is opposite to being organized? Well, that would be disorganized. So you find the word that means disorganized here. You take the one here, drop it, and then you're going to get the, and then you trabajador. If it's a hardworking, what is the opposite of being hardworking? It's being lazy. So that would be this one. So you just drop them there, but be careful because you see even when they don't match, it's going to take it, but it's going to give you a mistake. Okay, so that's your second one. Just look at the meanings of the words and then find the opposites. Page 17, for page 17, you are going to answer what you are like. So I'm asking you, what are you like? And you're going to say, I am, and then use this word in Spanish. So the question is, ¿Cómo eres? And the answer starts with the capital. And you're going to say, I am, and then you're going to say artistic. Artistic in Spanish is artístico. I'm going to put artística since I am a girl, and then period. Okay? And you're going to do that with all of them. And then, ¿cómo se llama? You're going to say somebody's name. This one is a little tricky. You're going to have to figure out what the nickname for these names are. So you have the nicknames here, and you're going to try to figure out what the nickname for this one is in this. For example, ¿Cómo se llama? So what is her name? Because her name is Gabriela. What is her name? So we're going to find among these words which one looks like that. I would say this one. So I'm going to answer se, start with capital, se llama, and then I'm going to put Gabi there. And then period. And yeah, I got it right. So you're going to do the same with all these nicknames, matching these names. You're going to try to figure out that. And the last one is about activities, what the person likes to do. So they give you a name, you write the sentence. So you, for example, you start with a capital A, Ana. You see this is important to put in your sentence. A, you start with that. Ana, because that's the person. What does she like to do? I see that the person is drawing. So a Ana le gusta dibujar. And then period, and it turns green. And then you're going to do the same with Arturo. He's to like to sing, cantar, and this one likes to talk on the phone. So you just complete those activities. That is it. I wanted to show you really quickly how to do it. I hope this helps. If you have questions, as usual, you can email me. Stay in touch. Bye.